Hey everyone, welcome back to getassist.net, and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will be showing you what all you can try it if GPS is not working on your iPhone device. So without talking anymore, let's get started with the video. Alright, so here I am on my iPhone, and sometimes you will need to know your exact location to use any app on your device, or maybe you need it for Google Maps and you realize that GPS is not able to find that specific location. So here I'm going to share a few things that you can try to get it back working again. Alright, okay, so first of all, you should go to the settings on your iPhone device, and then you have to scroll down. You have to find the privacy option, simply tap on it, and here the very first option is location services. So you need to make sure that it is toggled on, as this means that you are letting your iPhone use your location. If it is turned off, your GPS will not be able to track your location and you will face this issue, right? Or if in case you're using any specific app on your device, so let's say you are using Google Maps, so you have to open that app and you have to make sure that here you have selected while using the app. Alright, so that that particular app can access your location while you're using that app. So if you are using Google Maps, this option will allow Google Maps to access your exact location. If mistakenly you have set it to never, GPS will not be able to perform its function. Alright, so that's another thing you can do. And also, if you want to use your exact location, so make sure you have this on, precise location option, as it says that it allows apps to use your specific location. With this setting off, apps can only determine your approximate location. Alright, so if you have turned it off, GPS will only track your approximate location, and that might not help you for some apps. Alright, the next thing that you can do is, for that, just go back to the settings section, and now you have to go to general section at the top. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see this option that says transfer or reset iPhone. So you have to use that, and when you will press reset, you will find this option reset location and privacy. So you can use that as well. That using this option might also fix the bugs that you are facing with GPS on your iPhone. So you can easily reset all the settings of your location and privacy settings, whatever you have set before. So that's another thing that you can do if your GPS is not working properly. And lastly, you can just restart your iPhone, as this might also help you in fixing bugs and glitches with GPS. Alright, so that's all you can try in case you are not able to get the best out of your GPS on your iPhone. And with that, I have reached the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.